Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about Gann price and time squaring, which can be applied in any market. So basically we are seeing a confluence of both price and time, which Gann used to always focus on. He used to focus on three things: price, volume, and time. And he used to give the most important is always time, because if time is turning in your favor and the price will automatically come. But in the present context, we look for a confluence of both price and time to predict what could be the next move of the market. Again, to reiterate, this is not a holy grail. It's not like that every time it will be right, but we try to enter a trade with a minimum stop loss with a good risk to reward trade. And if things works in our favor, well and good. If it doesn't, we have to take a small hit and then move on to the next opportunity. Now, these kind of trade setup doesn't form so frequently, so it requires a lot of work both on price side and time side. So we have developed our both scanners, so it becomes a bit easy for us to find such trades. So I'll give you three stocks example which have performed exceptionally well in the last week, which are ABB, Bharat Forge, and Cummins. Right. So what we are trying to do here is, let's take example of, let's say first takes Bharat Forge. So we try to find a major high and low of that particular stock. Let me quickly open the chart of Bharat Forge on a daily time frame. Bharat Forge on a daily time frame, and remove all the indicators. Yeah. So here what we are finding, we are trying to find a major. So 1148 was a low, high or low on 15th September 2023. So let's quickly check. This is our scanner saying, let's see what is happening on 15th September 2023. So it made a small top exactly at 1148. From there, we had a decent correction of almost 10%. So we take this top and then we take a square root of this value. Basically, we take a square root of equal to, I'll just show you this thing. So you can type SQRT, very simple, and take this square root. That's it. So the square root is 33 days, and you add 15 September plus 33 days. So you get the next move on 18/10/2023. Now you take the second multiple, third multiple, fourth multiple, fifth multiple, so on and so forth. We took almost till 20th multiples and to find what could be the next move of the market. So if you can see here, Bharat Forge, one of the date which was coming was 12th June 2024. Before that it came was 9th May 2024. Let's first quickly check what happened on 9th May 2024. So May was here, 26th April, and where is 9th May, 8th May, 9th May, right? See here, it made a kind of a doji candle, went down, whipsawed us above the high. We had a wonderful rally, right? So let's see another date. Before that, we had another date of 5th April 2024. 5th April, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th April. From 5th April, you can see a short-term bottom was made, and from there we had slow and steady good rally. So this is just a price part. Now we add this also to the time part also. So my date was 12th June, right? So this is 12th June, and these purple lines are Gann lines, and the red line is the most important. These lines are very few; they come very less, but as and when they come, you tend to see some good moves in the market. So on 12th, what happened? The very first minute, it just opened above this line. Before 1 day before it touched this level, it opened. So this is a kind of a confluence of both price and time. If you can enter after first 5 minutes, at the close, which is 1614, you can see here, and you can keep a stop loss of 1600. That's it, and then you write the trade, taking a 13 rupees risk. So at least your reward should be 1 is to 3, so at least 1639. The ultimate target will be the next purple line, which is around 1680. But if you achieve 1639, you get 1 is to 3 risk to reward, because 16 rupees was our risk, and 1 is 16 3 is 48. So 1 is to 3, we got it here. You can move your stop loss to cost price and wait for 1680 done, and then the ultimate target 1726 also done. So with just a 16 rupees risk, the rewards are so good. Will it happen every time? It doesn't. Then you had just a 16-point stop loss. That's it. Let's take another example. So now in this only, we have taken, let's first take ABB. So 10 June was one of the date, right? So let's quickly go and check what happened on 10 June. ABB is here. 10 June. See, at 10 June, the prices opened up, but it touched exactly this red line at 1425. Now, this is a very good entry point for us. We keep the stop loss of this below purple line 7922. So this stop loss will be around 1%, not more than that. Then you can write the move. First target is this line. You can keep trailing your position, and ultimately the next this line is done. This. You get such a beautiful move. Not a single time the price was below even 21 EMA also. So this is a beautiful way of capturing some big move. Let's take Cummins also as an example. Now Cummins, using the same concept of high and low, the date which was coming for Cummins was 12th June, right? So let's quickly go and check what happened on 12th June on Cummins. So this is 13th, this is 12th, see here, 12th. Cross the purple line. As soon as this is crossed, you can take the trade at the close, which is 3622. Keep the candle low of 3567 as your stop loss. So you have almost like 30 plus 52 points risk. So at least 150 points move we can we are looking for. So from 3622 to 157 points is 3722 something. It went till 3800, right? Very, very simple technique to capture some really nice moves in the market. It can be applied on any instrument, but it works mostly on stocks. For Nifty, we use a different technique, which I'll try to share in a different video. Now, this is done and dusted. So what are the next moves? So this is our scanner. So let me quickly show you the stocks which are coming for from let's say 17 till 21st June. Just go here and I'll just select the stocks which are coming from 17 to 21st June. June 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st. And here we'll select only square because I've told you about that technique only. So these are the stocks which are coming. You can pause the video and make a note of these. Naveen Fluorine, Dr. Reddy's, SBI card. So suppose if you don't know about this Gann price levels, so at least you can just note down the high and low of these stocks, and whichever side is broken, the next day you can take the trade. Nifty date is coming on 19th. It's an important date. Then TCS, Canfin Home, Dixon, 18th. Again, these are important date, 18, 19, and even some astro events are also happening, which I'll try to cover in a separate video. But you can pause the video, make a note of these things, these stocks, and you can plan your trades accordingly for these stocks. I'll add this on my website also, so you can have a look at it. But these is a simple way of capturing some important moves in the stock. So yeah, that's about it in this video. I've told you the technique, I've told you the calculation methods, and we have just shown you how beautifully price and time squaring works in Gann. And I wish you guys I wish you learn something from this video and which you can apply in your trading. So thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.